Hello guys, this is Crypto Airdropper. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to perform tax on Earning Club to earn free USDT commission. So Earning Club is an online platform where users get to earn free commission in USDT for performing tax. So this tax users perform help online sellers like Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Alibaba, Tokopedia, and the likes to increase their sale and review quantity. So once these companies register with this platform, they pay this platform to get it done for them. So the platform in turn pays its users a part of the commission for completing tasks daily. Okay, so depending on the depth, or that's depending on the amount of USDT you recharge on the platform, it determines the level you are on the platform and the amount of commission you earn by doing tasks daily on the platform. So the amount you charge on the platform determines how much you tend to earn daily as commission from the platform. So once you register with my link as a new user on the platform, you get $8, which you can use to perform tax in the trial area for $5, and you get to keep all the profits you make within that time period. And the minimum withdrawal from the platform is $2, which is pretty low compared to other platforms like this. So it's a very convenient, it has a very convenient withdrawal threshold. Okay, so the trial area will allow you have a few of the websites, how to perform tax and how to earn from the website. So once you recharge up to $10 or more, that's between $10 to $49, you can perform the EB tax, where you can earn up to $28 at the end of the month. And you can perform the Etsy tax when you have once you charge up to $50 or more. And you can perform the Alibaba tax once you recharge $500 or more, and it's the same for Tokopedia or Rakuten. Once you recharge 3,000 or more for Tokopedia and 8,000 or more for Rakuten tax. Okay, so that is basically what I'm trying to say, is the higher you recharge, the higher your daily earnings. So how do you perform tax to earn commission daily on this website? It's pretty easy. So after you've recharged, or if you're using the trial area, you just go over here to on the home page, just scroll down and choose the area you want to earn from. Okay, since I recharged $50. Okay, I can perform, that's I'm eligible to perform the Etsy tag. So that's what I'll be doing in this video, and that's what I'll be using to show you guys how to perform tax on the platform. So you select the area you want to earn from. Okay, then you click on where it says grabbing. As you can see here, it says grabbing. You click on grabbing. So after it's done loading, then you choose on purchase. That's you click on purchase to continue. Then it loads again. So after it's done loading the second time, then you click on yes to complete your task. Okay, so that is, as you can see, I've completed one task. That, as you can see, I've completed one of 30, and that is, you get to complete 30 tasks every day. And because of my level, I earn up to $0.07 per tax, and if you multiply by that by 30, I earn up to $2.7 approximately every day. And that means I can withdraw every day if I choose to, since the minimum withdrawal is $2 on this website. So all you have to do to complete all your tasks for the day is to do this 29 more times, to which makes it 30. Okay, so that's basically how you perform tasks on the site. It's very easy, and very straightforward. So if you want me to make a video on how to recharge, or make another video on how to withdraw, feel free to drop it in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to reply. And if you have any questions or suggestions, you can also drop down in the comment section below. I'll go through them and I'll reply as soon as I can. And also feel free, make sure you join my Telegram channel for more updates. That's my Telegram community, for more updates about how you can earn from platforms like this. And if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon beside it to turn on notifications, so that whenever I drop a new video like this, you'll be the that's whenever I drop a new video on how to earn money from platforms like this, YouTube will notify you immediately. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.